guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video it will be quite technical, but it will be shorter because obviously it is much shorter topic. It is explanation of the Google bots blocked by robots.txt. So sometimes when you're running more in-depth SEO analysis using tools like Screaming Frog, you will get a report saying that some of your content on the website is blocked by robots.txt, which means that robots cannot, like Google bots, cannot really scan this content, cannot really scan this particular page, meaning that it won't be ranked in their search results. So is it really bad, or is it good, or should you worry about it or not? Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic and sales. Sometimes you can even find maybe not warning messages. Warning messages is something else in Google Search Console, but the information that some of the content is blocked by robots, they cannot scan it, and you might get occasional report emails. So is it something to worry about? Because I had a number of clients emailing me saying, should I really worry about it? Should I do something about it? Should I fix it? And sometimes the answer is it really depends, because normally some of the content on your website should be blocked from the bots by default, such as checkout page, incentive information, login page, to encrypt this kind of information that people put on your website, like their personal details, like the car details. So by default, those pages should be blocked by access from robots.txt. So those pages definitely will have a report that they are blocked from Google. However, sometimes you will see that the regular pages on your website, like product pages, collection pages, and other pages, obviously other content on your website, can also be blocked from Google. This is when you should really do something about it, because those pages won't be ranked in Google. Those pages won't be indexed, obviously, by the search engines, and people won't be able to view them. So you will lose a lot of traffic if some of your products will be blocked by robots. And this is actually happened to one of my clients. The fix was actually quite simple, luckily, because he had very outdated coding on their homepage on Shopify. So removing this coding actually managed to fix this issue, and those pages were fully indexable. And this is really, really important to run those regular scans of your website to see if all of the pages, regular pages, are fully indexed, or are there any errors. And I do recommend doing it through Google Search Console, as well as other regular tools such as free Screaming Frog, which I mentioned in the beginning. And you can scan up to 500 pages on your website absolutely free. So I do recommend downloading it. It is screamingfrog.co.uk. Run those scans at least once a month to pick up those errors. And obviously, if you need help fixing any of those, message me on Instagram, or you can reach me out on my email as well, maggie@rockpapercopy.info. And obviously visit me on my website. And I'll speak with you next Monday. Bye-bye. If you love this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Shopify and SEO tips. Now check those two videos recommended for you here to watch next to learn about running a successful online business, driving free traffic and sales. I'll speak with you soon. Bye-bye.